Let's light it up until our
If I'm not mistaken, biodegradable is yung mga nabubulok, right? And non-biodegradable is those items that you can recycle, like plastic, paper, cardboard, and all those good stuff.
Because a lot of people just throw trash, but at least, you know, there are still people who could just throw it in the trash can instead of like everywhere. Because that's bad. Like that's really
Very bad.
bad.
Keep our campus clean.
the hunger sad.
Hinahayaan lang namin, kami na lang naglilinis. Pero yung iba, disiplinado rin naman. Kasi may makita lang sila, tinatapon lang nila doon.
Ano pong ginagawa? Sinesegregate.
Kami na lang po nag-segregate.
Keep our
campus.
clean.
It starts with you.